Hey you guys, what is going on? The Printer Guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the print quality using third-party ink on the HP SmartTank 5000 model. This is third-party ink, meaning that it is not the HP standard ink, but there are other companies such as Best Printers that do sell third-party ink that is totally compatible with the HP SmartTank 5000 model. And basically I'm going to be showing you the print quality that it's able to produce using this type of ink. There's a common misconception that this ink may be lower quality or that you may get different results, but in this video I'm going to be showing you the specific results for this ink, and then I'm also going to be doing another video. I'll be linking to that video at the end of this video and somewhere along the way here in the cards, showing you a comparison video using the standard HP ink and then using this third-party ink as well. Of course, I'd be doing you a disservice if I didn't leave a link down in the description below for the third-party ink that we highly recommend here at Best Printers. Now, it's very important that you know that this printer that I am currently installing this third-party ink on has not had any ink installed in it before. This is a brand new printer, fresh out of the box. The only ink that this printer has ever known is this third-party ink. And likewise, I did another video with actual HP ink. So that from the start had HP ink as well. So it's going to be a totally fair comparison video. So here we have the photo paper that I ended up using, and every setting, everything that I did to print these photos, from the photo paper to the settings to everything, is exactly the same as I did on the HP SmartTank with the HP ink installed. All right, so here's our first photo, high quality, crisp, and it is a little bit toned out. There's not enough saturation on this photo, and really I had similar results with the HP ink, and really that just comes down to the source file that I ended up using. I'm just using photos off Google, so some of these source files are not the best. This photo came out really good. We see here some vibrant colors, we see the detail, we see higher quality, and really there's not lines or streaks or anything like that. It's important when you're printing photos, the settings really do matter. The photo paper you use, making sure that you register in the settings that you're using that type of photo paper instead of plain paper. If you do one of these things a little bit differently or you change something, you could get some different results. This is our final photo. I think this is the best one by far. There's a lot of detail in it, a lot of saturation, color that really pops off of that photo paper. It's also important for you to know that this is dye-based ink. So the HP ink is going to be dye-based for this printer, and so is the third-party ink, because this printer takes dye-based ink. Now, if you wanted to use pigment ink, you're not going to get those vibrant colors, but it's going to be a little bit more long-lasting. I do have a video explaining the difference between dye-based ink and pigment ink. I really hope this video ended up being helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.